Hello everybody and welcome back to Daisy. We are playing online. I started recording before and it was nighttime whenever I joined this lobby and stuff, and there was 4 people in, now there's none, and I'm the host, and it started off with nothing in the, dang it, nothing in the inventory, but now it gave me my stuff back. I guess since I'm the host it gave me back to where I was earlier or something. Yeah. Now I'm online, so I guess we're gonna start off a series here, and there will probably be something wrong because it was nighttime and you just could not see nothing. Like, I don't know what the deal was. But I went to Survival Guide and I learned a bunch of stuff. So yeah, got your zombie over there. Yeah, I know how to survive now. Actually, I want to invite my friend. That's weird. I just noticed that whenever you pause it and you can look on the background, that thing is like that. It's weird. Well, I have to move like this. There's no players except just me now. Sucks. But yeah, I learned a bunch of stuff about how to survive and everything like that in there. Yeah. And that very first place we went was a military base. But I never could figure out, but oh yeah, and we died. Because it kept my stats where it was, but it never gave me my stuff back. So I died, I bled out. But yeah, your blood is your health, and your water and stuff like that is how much you do. I didn't really read anything about water, I just realized that, but food, I know, once your food thing hits 0, it affects your bleeding. Yes, it is A to jump. I pretty much knew that, but how are you supposed to do it? He can't get on this little thing. Really? Look, eh, eh, that's insane. You can't. Supposed to have steps or something to get on everything in the face. Back off. Heh. Stupid zombies. What are you? Oh, your bandages. I remember. I saw that. I need you. I need you very badly. Don't know how to freaking open doors. There's no idea. I don't know why I did that. I saw something going crazy. What are you? Pain pills, empty can, and pain pills. Okay. Can I do something to you? But you can't go in houses with doors or nothing. Like, that sucks. Cause you... Huh? What is over here? Oh, sweet. Yes, please. What do you say? Shotgun. Takes 8 or 20 gauge shells. Okie dokie. Is that ammo? A 9mm ammo. Sweet. I will kind of want to look around here just a little bit more now. I think this game is probably like early access, or like not the, like they'll make updates for it or something. It has to be, because there's no way that the people would make it like this or something unless it's, I just got the thing where I just happened to get one where it's all wonky like this. And I was hoping I would get to play online with other people and stuff. Oh well. I thought that's what this video was gonna be. But I hope if it goes nighttime again or something, that it just doesn't go completely dark and stuff. Oh, faster. Zombie. Okay. Thought I didn't kill it for a second. Everything is... Never mind. It's not as good as I thought it was. Or you. Spare tire. No. Yes, empty gas. Because there are cars and stuff like that in this game. That was in the survival guide. Probably should have read how to get in them or something. If there's a way. Don't know how. They said they can make it. Get the stuff. That. Yep. Dry. Yay. Stupid zombie. Booth. I want to go up there to that booth place. I guess stuff just spawns outside the buildings or something. Water. Oh, my inventory's full. I'll drop you. Food or water? Okay, we'll get water. And we'll use it. And then we'll go and get food. No, I want to drop this. And then that. Yeah. Sweet. Now we got stuff. Now we got stuff. Anything else around here? I don't think so. Nope. Silly zombie. Almost trying to kill me and stuff. Make me feel bad. Yes. Ha. I don't think it. Bandages and that. Nah, I don't need any of that. 8 pockets and 12 backpacks. 8 pockets and 12 pockets. I was sure certain to take this one. Yeah, that one. And that's more stuff for inventory. I want to see what this stuff is before I go looking at other stuff. Pain pills and bandage and yes. Now we can have a big inventory. Yes. Ooh, that's good and that's good. I have 3 things of pain pills. I should be good on that, I think. My guy looks like he is freaking out. Don't know if that's like that on your computer or not, but it is. Never mind. Oh, it's not. He's fine now. We need to name him. I don't think I really need empty cans or anything, you know. I don't know what they do. If they do anything. I will be like the freaking scavenger of all time. I'll count you down in case zombies see me. Bandages and pain pills. Where's the bandage at? There's bandage right there. Oh, I wasn't close enough. Oh. Don't need any of it. No thanks. Pretty sure. Yes. But what should we name him? I don't know. Bandages. Give me some ammo or another gun that won't use that ammo. And that's all that good stuff. Backpack, I think. That hole again. What? But it's oh, or the door is black. Yeah, it's open. Flashlight. What are you? A compass. A large backpack. Yes. I'll take a compass. How do you use a compass? Oh. It's at the top. Yeah. Any other stuff around here? I think we were already down there. I'm pretty sure we was. Let's move on. Let's move along now. Yeah. This video is probably gonna be a few minutes shorter, longer and stuff, you know, just like about 15 minutes again, you know. Yeah, I can't go over 15 minutes. I don't know how to put the ad breaks in thing where I can get it over 15 minutes. So if anyone knows how to do that, that would be very helpful. Like very helpful. And then I'll be doing much longer videos. Ooh, this place seems good. Come on, zombies. Yeah. Yeah, told me never go to a zombie or unless you have weapons. Hey, do you have ammo though? That's the thing. Do you have any ammo? Wait, I can switch weapons to you, right? Yeah. How much ammo do you have? I wanna know. I have to know. There's a zombie behind me. Turn slow. They don't need it right now. Keep me trusty axe out and chop some freaking stomachs in. Yeah. I don't want you guys coming after me. Mister, that's a truck. Please, freaking zombies. Yep. Just chopping up zombies. Hey, leave me alone. Bandage. Yay. Bring it. Yeah. What's in here? I'm best tired about that. Want me to do that? Need to use another bandage. Jeez. That's freaking. Gee, that's a lot of zombies. There. There's no ammo. Push gun. So the gun sucks for moving and stuff. You move really slow. But I thought it says it has ammo. Oh well. I want to eat beans or mushroom soup. Soup. Save beans for later. I want to go over there by that blue building. I really do. But yeah, I'll probably just end the video here. And then bandages. Yes. Yes. And I don't know. Yeah. I might try one. Doesn't do nothing to my health. That would get my health up. A little bit. Maybe not. Eh. Frankenstein politic dude. But yeah, I'll probably end the video here. And if you liked it, hit the like button. Like I'm hitting the zombies in the face. And leave me alone. You freaking do stuff. Please. The buttons are weird in this game though. But yeah. I like it. And I know how you can sleep in tents and stuff, and is this a tent? There's two tents. Oh yes. Do you ever wear out? I don't know. But yeah. On that positive note, I will see you guys later. Peace.